Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to talk about my kitchen. In my house, I have a kitchen, and we're going to see what I have inside the kitchen. This is my kitchen. You can see that I have a refrigerator, a sink, and cabinets. A kitchen is for cooking, for making food, right? Cooking, making food. The refrigerator has two parts. The bottom is the refrigerator, and the top is the freezer. A refrigerator keeps food cold. Keeps food cold. What's in my refrigerator? I have many things in my refrigerator. I have fruit in my refrigerator. What kind of fruit? I have apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. I have all of these fruits in my refrigerator. I also have vegetables in my refrigerator. Fruits and vegetables. What kind of vegetables do I have? Carrots, cucumbers, tomatoes, and mushrooms. I have these vegetables in my refrigerator. Mushrooms, tomatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. I have fruits and vegetables in my refrigerator. What else do I have? I also have meat. I have meats in my refrigerator. For example, I have steak. I love steak. I have ground beef, which is like steak, but it's ground, right? So we have ground beef. I also have fish. This is salmon. So I have meat from a cow and fish. I also have chicken. These are chicken breasts. Right here I have chicken, and of course, I also have eggs. I love to eat eggs in the morning for breakfast. Very tasty. So I have eggs, chicken, fish, steak, and ground beef. So I have lots of meats in my refrigerator. But eggs are not meat. Eggs are not meat. What else do I have in my refrigerator? I also have some dairy products. Dairy products come from milk. Anything made from milk is a dairy product. So I have milk, I have butter, and I have some brie. This is a type of cheese. This is brie cheese. I love dairy. So again, we have cheese, we have butter, and we have milk in the refrigerator. So we have fruits, we have vegetables, we have meats, eggs, and dairy. Let's see what else there is in my refrigerator. We also have condiments. Condiments are things that you eat with other foods. So we have mayonnaise, we have mustard, and we have ketchup. These are the three condiments that are in my refrigerator. What do you have in your refrigerator? Write in the comments below. So this is the refrigerator, but up here is the freezer. The freezer is cold, very, very cold. The temperature in the freezer is below 0. It's below 0. If you put water in the freezer, it becomes ice. So what is in my freezer? Of course, I have ice in my freezer because I put ice in my water. I love to use ice. I also have ice cream because I love ice cream. I love ice cream so much. I also have frozen pizza. Frozen pizza is very easy. You just take it and put it in the oven. It's so easy. Here we have some cabinets. We have some cabinets. What is in my cabinets? I have rice, I have noodles, and I have oats. Usually I have oats for breakfast, and I have noodles and rice for lunch and dinner. I also have flour. Flour you use to make bread. I have sugar and oil. Flour, sugar, and oil. All those in my cabinet. In my cabinets. What is in these cabinets? In these cabinets we have plates, which are flat plates, and bowls that are round. What is in these cabinets? We have a pot, we have a pan, and we have a kettle. In a pot, you can make soup. In a pan, you can cook eggs. And in a kettle, you can make tea or coffee. Kettle, pan, pot. These are drawers. A drawer closes and opens. It closes and opens. What is in my drawer? Ah! There's a cockroach in my drawer. Oh no! That's a problem. Let's see what else is in my drawer. Okay, we have forks, a small fork and a big fork. We have a knife. This is a butter knife. It's not sharp. It's not sharp. We have a big spoon and a small spoon. This is a steak knife. It is very sharp. It's sharp. We also have this. This is a whisk. We use the whisk to mix. This is a spatula, and we use a spatula to cook. We use it to move the food. We have eggs or another food we want to move in the pan. This is a big knife. It's this big, and you use it to cut vegetables and fruits and meats. It's a chef knife. This is my sink. We put dirty dishes in the sink. Dirty plates, dirty pots, dirty bowls, dirty pans. We put them in the sink. We need to clean the dirty dishes, so we use soap and a sponge. We put some soap on the plate and we wash it with the sponge. Here is someone washing a plate in the sink. In my kitchen, there's also a stove. And the stove has two parts. The bottom is an oven, and you can bake in the oven. You can bake bread, you can bake cakes or muffins in the oven. And on top, we have the burners. And on the burners, you can cook food. You can cook lots of food: eggs, steak, fish, pasta, soups. You can cook many foods on the burner. All right, thank you for watching this video about what's in my kitchen. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you can get more videos like this. If you want to watch more videos right now, find one here or here. All right, see you next time.